Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yusuf bin Muhammad Kamal Faizal with the number matric AA190030. Today our group will conduct a PBL about engineering plus statistics. But what is the PBL? PBL is the problem based learning, which also described as the instructional method that usually students must adapt and explore to find a solution based on the realistic problem given. And what is the statistic? Statistic is science of collecting, describing or simplifying the data that given and also make an inference about the collection of data. And there is two statistics, which is inferential statistic, which is often be applied to make a prediction. For example, take the data from the sample and make generalizations about a population. We can see this on the chapter 6, which is estimation. But today we are going to present about descriptive statistic, which is it is usually been used to explain data, which consists of organization, summarization, and description of data sets. For example, charts, tables, and graphs. There is three measures of central tendency, which is mean, median, and mode. What is mean? Mean is the average of data values, which is mu is equal to total x over n, which is n is sample size, x is total data. And the median value in a ranked list is the median. The data must be arranged in increasing or decreasing order. So L is for lower boundary, N for number of data, F for cumulative frequency, Fm is frequency for median class, and C is the size value. What is mode? The value that occurs most frequency or the highest frequency in data set. Besides, mode can also be known as the most data being recorded. For mode class group data formula is LM, which is lower boundary for mode class. dB is for the difference frequency before minus frequency mode class, which is the same value, and dA is the after mid mode class minus frequency mode class, and C is the width of data. For measurement of dispersion, there is two methods that we have to apply, which is variance and standard deviations. Variance is the average values of the square of the deviations of the data values from the population means, which is the total midpoint class times the frequency data. The measurement of dispersion, there is two methods that we have to apply in this measurement, which is variance and standard deviations. The variance is the average values of the squares of the deviations of the data values from the population means, which is the midpoint power 2 times the frequency data minus the total frequency data times midpoint class, which is we have to power of 2 divide by frequency of data. Standard deviation is quantity expressing by how much the members of a group differ from the mean value for the group. It is also known as the square root of the variance in order to get the standard deviations. That's all from me. I'll pass up to the other members. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Izan bin Shaidan. Right now, I'm going to continue with a problem background for this assignment. So basically, a survey has been conducted by our valuable lecturer upon me in order to collect all of the data about the height of 150 students from engineering statistics course. So based on the collected data, construct a table to analyze and find the mean, mode, median, and also standard deviation based on the survey that has been made. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rida Zahira binti Muhammad Rahim. I'm gonna explain about Phyla table. The fact we obtain from the problem statement is our beloved lecturer conduct a survey. This survey is about hard involving 150 engineering statistics students. The idea that we obtain is distribute the height of 150 students into a predetermined height range. Find the mean, mode, median, and standard deviation from the formula. Learning issues we obtain from this problem statement is how to use a formula according to the questions and what is the class limit that should be used to create a histogram graph. The resource that we use is internet, survey, book, and journal. Thank you.
My name is Nur Ayuni. I will present the solution for our PBL. For the first one is mean. We use formula of x bar equal to sum of fx and divided by sum of f. So by using that formula and insert all the data from the table, we got the answer is 169.35. Next one, we will find modes by using modes equal to LMO plus C multiply delta B divided with delta B plus delta A. So by using this formula, find the LMO and delta 1 and delta 2. We got the answer is 172.074. For median, we use formula of median equal to LM plus C multiply with n divided by 2 minus f divided by fm. So by insert the data, we got the answer is 170.73. For the variance, we use formula of s power of 2 equal to 1 over n minus 1 multiply with sum of fx power of 2 minus with sum of fx power of 2 divided by n. So by insert the data, we got the answer is 58.634. Okay, for the standard deviation, s equal to square root of s power of 2. So by using before this our variance, we just square root it and we got the answer is 7.657.
My name is Yoganan Mohan. My metric number is AA191366 and I am from Section 5 Engineering Statistics. I am here to explain how to get mean, median, mode, variance and standard deviation based on the table that I did here. First, the way to get mean is we use the formula which is mean is equal to or x bar is equal to sigma fx over f, which we will get 169.34899 and so on. Okay, the second one is median. We can find median using the formula which is m is equal to lm plus c times by n over 2 minus f divided by fm. So from there we can get 170.73. Okay, third one is mode. Okay, we use this formula for solve for mode, which is m naught is equal to L plus C times by dB divided by dB plus dA. So the answer will be 172.074. Okay, for the variance and standard deviation, we have to find variance first and then we can identify the standard deviation. So for the variance formula is sigma fx square minus bracket fx square divided by sigma f and all of it divided by sigma f minus 1, which we will get 58.634. Standard deviation is equal to square root of variance. Square root 58.634 is equal to 7.657. So that's all for my part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Nur Abdillah bin Manamail. I will continue in this presentation with the last subtopic, which is conclusion. Based on the projects that has been carried out, we can conclude that descriptive statistics are used to describe the basic features of the data in a studies. So basically, they provide simple summarize about the sample and the measures. And together with simple graphic analysis, they form the basic of visually every quantitative analysis of data. Descriptive statistics are very beneficial in the works of mathematics in our daily life. So let's go with see among its benefits and importance. Firstly, descriptive statistics therefore enable us to present the data in a more meaningful way, which allows simpler interpretation of data. If we simply presented our raw data, it would be hard to visualize what the data was showing, especially if there was a lot of it. And the second is descriptive statistics allows for a data set to be summarized and presented through a combination of tabulated and graphical description and a discussion of the result found. Descriptive statistics are used to summarize complex quantitative data. Okay, so basically, these descriptive statistics are very close in our daily life in simplifying all our affairs. I think that's all from us from this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.